What's up guys, it's Sam here from Create Everything. In today's video I'm going to show you how to apply a gradient to live and editable text, and that means that you can change the wording once you've applied the gradient basically, so you don't need to outline. So let's get into it. Okay then, so I've got a new document. I'm going to get some text. And now if we select this text like normal, you can see that we can click the gradient button here, but nothing happens, doesn't work. So I'm going to undo that. And the key to this trick is the appearance palette, and you can find the appearance palette under the window menu. So you can select your text, click on this button here which is add new fill. Then once you've done that, you can change that to gradient there, and then change the colors to whatever you want. You can press G on the keyboard for the gradient tool and adapt this. Now have your gradient running however you want. And also you can change the gradient type to radial, but you can't use the freeform gradient in this yet, so you'd still have to outline and then go through that process. But for linear and radial, this trick works.